In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new preset in Divi Builder. We'll be working directly inside Divi Builder, and this process is very simple once you know where the preset tools are located. Presets are helpful because they let you quickly apply consistent styling without rebuilding the same design settings over and over again. That can save time and help keep your pages looking uniform. To begin, open Divi Builder. Once you're inside the Builder interface, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the controls and management options related to your current design setup. From that left panel, click on Preset Manager. This is the area where Divi lets you browse and manage available presets. If you're new to this section, take a second to get familiar with the layout because this is where you'll be returning anytime you want to reuse or organize preset styles. Next, move your attention to the bottom part of the panel. The option we need is located there, and this is where Divi gives you the ability to bring in another preset. Once you see it, click on Add New Preset. After that, you'll be able to search for the preset you want to use. In the search area, start typing the name or related keyword for the preset you're looking for. This is especially useful if you have multiple presets available and want to find the right one faster instead of scrolling through a long list. Once you find the preset that you want to add, click on it. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if there are presets with similar names. Taking a quick moment here can help prevent confusion later. As soon as you select it, you'll be able to see the preset preview. This preview is important because it gives you a visual confirmation of what the preset looks like before you continue working with it. It's a good habit to review the preview carefully so you can confirm that the design matches what you intended to add, and that's how to add a new preset in Divi Builder. The overall process is straightforward. Go into Divi Builder, open the preset manager from the left-hand side, choose Add New Preset, search for the one you want, select it, and review the preview. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, adding presets becomes a quick and efficient part of your design process in Divi.